everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and this evening I'll try flying the Eclipson Model A again. Let's hope it goes well. Really loved it last time on the Maiden, and I've been eager to fly it, but weather has been bad and time limited. That's why I'm flying. It's almost dark. Let's go. Okay. Hopefully everything should work. And this time I'm standing across the road. Okay. Clear the power lines. Oh, I think that's my canopy again. Where it mounts at the top, it's a bit soft, so I think that's why. Someone else is getting canopy in their cereal. Yeah, PLA, basically. But actually, if I'm not wrong, I think PLA is actually made out of cornstarch or something like that, and it's biodegradable. I hope you can see it. I barely can. I'll try zooming in. Yeah, so if you haven't seen my last flight with this, I lost the canopy that time also. Okay, I've been in safe up until a few seconds ago. Looks like it needs a bit of trimming out of safe. Oh. It's broken to pieces. I zoomed in here as much as I could. You can see the main part and the part of the wing falling. Let me go see what I can find. Hey guys, Alex here. It's day 2. Last night I was with my son in the car and it was getting dark, so I didn't insist too much on looking for the plane. But it's the next day. It's still evening and I've come to look for it, hoping I can find it, because I have my AR631 receiver in it and I would really like to get it back. So the battery would be nice to have back, the motor, ESC. I really cared that much about the servos, but hey, whatever I can find. The problem is you can see it just corn and corn and corn, and I don't know what this is here, but yeah, it's really hard to find. Now, I didn't think about this, but I do have my DJI drone. If I don't have any luck today, I'm just walking, I think I'll bring that out tomorrow. Try to take a look from above. Just hoping to see one of those white pieces. Hi guys, this is day 3 of the search and rescue mission. Bad news is it's been raining last night, so in case I do find the plane, and especially the receiver I want to find the most, it's not a good thing if it's been sitting out in the rain. I had my DJI drone up. I'll probably put some footage of that because I also want to review it at home. I was just looking on the live feed, which is in full quality. I'm not sure I saw everything, but yeah, no luck so far. I included part of the drone footage. This is from my second day using the drone, just to give you an idea This was 500 meters out for me. So I searched this whole area. I knew it was somewhere towards the edge of the field, at least the main part, the fuselage. I can get a really good feed on the phone while flying it. So I thought I'd just record and watch it at home on the TV. So I have more chances of seeing something, then hopefully be able to pinpoint it on the ground. I actually even thought of posting the whole drone video and asking for your guys' help to maybe spot something. But luckily, after doing this video, I spent another hour or so walking through the cornfield, and I finally found it. Finally, guys, it's day 4 of the search, and I found a wreck. Can't believe I was already losing hope. Okay, so looks like part of the wing broke off. Didn't detach as I initially thought. And given the impact, you can see it looks decent. All the electronics are here, except the one servo for the missing wing, but I'm not gonna even bother with that. Man, it was, look at this cord, and it's only growing day by day. Wow, super happy I could find everything electronic wise. Look how the prop got cut in the rubber bands. Honestly, I was thinking one of these rubber bands detached, but yeah, turns out it was the wing. That's strange. And let's see what else is. Ooh. Yeah, these motor wires really got spinned into a corkscrew here. Everything actually. So, I don't know, maybe the nose detached first. Can't say. The battery, yeah, it's a bit swollen, but I'll test it out at home. And most importantly, the receiver, it's still in there. Seems to be intact. Okay. Yeah, it's about in the spot I thought it should be, but yeah, 3 days of looking, so until I think I have 4 or 5 hours looking through here. Whew, oh man, I'm glad I found it. Okay, I'm gonna take this home and update you guys, let you know what the damage is. Okay, so I'm home now. I want to check the battery, see if it still has any life in it. Nope. Doesn't seem to unpower the checker. Ooh. Yeah, I think the battery's toast. 1.53, 0.69. Maybe it's just for the heck of it. Let me try and put some voltage in it. Okay, let's check now. Yeah, it seems the middle cell is dead, so this is sleeping outside. so I can dispose of it. Really sorry, it was a really good battery, very good power. Okay, now on to test the other electronics. So I took a better look at it. What I believe from what I can see, the motor wires are really twisted, so probably what happened is the front end snapped off. You can see it seems like a chunk is missing, and probably the motor just spun, and it might have cut off the wing. You probably saw in that short clip, I know it wasn't a really good video, didn't get good shots of it, but I could see part of the wing falling off. So at first I believed maybe it was these rubber bands that came off, but seems they held up well, so it wasn't that. Now what I really hope is that my receiver is still working. So I have another battery here. It's connecting. Let's see, the servo's dead, but okay, at least the receiver's still working. I don't know if what servo is making that noise. It's survived pretty well. I do see the control horn for the elevator is completely gone. I still found half of the elevator and the rudder. And of course we have this half of the wing and servo missing. I'm also curious if the motor is still working. I don't know if I'll be reusing it with these wires, but let me hook it up and see if it will still spin. Okay, got it connected. Seems like it should work. Let me just bump the throttle real quick. Yep, what do you know? Still working. Now I don't know if I'll be reusing it, but it's good to know it survived. I'm especially happy about the receiver. That was the most important and expensive part of this. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I don't know if I'll be reprinting this soon. I do have a couple of other 3D printed planes I need to finish and try out. Now I am lucky this happened where it did. That's the main reason I fly there. You never know when something can go wrong, even with a store-bought model, and I didn't want to injure or damage any property. I did make a bit of a mess in that corn, but actually I think I probably helped stepping on all those weeds. So thank you very much for watching. Sorry if it was a long and a bit confusing video. Don't forget to leave some comments if you have any questions. Now I don't want you to think I blame Eclipson for this. Something probably went wrong, and of course I did some modifications to the print. So I doubled up the layers on this just to make the fuselage stronger, but apparently it wasn't strong enough. So don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.